The world is rapidly evolving. There was a time when the mode of communication used to be more conventional in nature. Now everyone and everywhere is accessible through the palm of one smartphone. In such a landscape, it is highly important for one to advise and make his company on the digital stage by launching dynamic e-commerce platform. Keeping this into perspective, 7-Star Services offers targeted social media management plan, under which we ensure that your brand, company remains prominent on all social media platforms. Whether it's Facebook, LinkedIn or Twitter, we devise different strategy for each platform, keeping in mind the specific objective of the platform and its target audience. Whether it's uploading videos on YouTube or IGTV, videos on Instagram, we know how to boost and spread the content in a manner that is result-oriented. Not just this, but we ensure that your Google ads and search ads are positioned to gauge maximum eyeballs, making your investment effective. Another important element is being at the top all the time. People nowadays don't have time to browse and scroll through different pages. Just to locate one's page, whatever gets displayed first wins over the audience. In retrospective to this, 7-Star Services offers optimum SEO services, under which your page remains on the top by identifying relevant keywords. Likewise, if you believe your company, brand is operating in a sensitive and 24/7 operational sector, then we offer timely crisis management services to contain the damage and simultaneously through digital PR and market influencer marketing spread positive image of your brand. Convert your social media pages into popular engagement platforms. To avail our social media services, call on the given numbers.